So I'm back here with Andres, our CEO at Good Lab, after the CARB workshop today, where there were quite a couple major updates.
Yeah, so California is charging ahead with the most ambitious climate disclosure rollout that we've ever seen. But as it turns out, rolling out new regulations while you are writing them turns out to be a recipe for delays and uncertainty. 261, let's start there. So today was a big day for 261 in that the Ninth Circuit has now technically paused the rollout of SB 261. But the appeals case is already expedited, and the decision is expected in January 2026. Legal analysts report that the most likely outcome, about 80% probability is what we hear, is for the stay to be reversed and for 261 to become enforceable once again. So we strongly recommend companies to continue preparing because once the stay lifts, the statutory obligation still exists. Today's CARB workshop confirmed that SB253 Scope 1 and 2 emission reports are going to be due on August 10, so not on June 30 this coming year. And CARB is offering a bit more flexibility in year one. Companies can submit existing greenhouse gas data, and there's going to be enforcement discretion for those that were not collecting data previously. What's also changed is the requirement for limited assurance is now gone. However, we would strongly recommend that you continue to pursue limited assurance simply because in 2027, you will need to include Scope 3 emissions in the reporting that you submit, and you will have that limited assurance requirement. That's a big lift. If you have to do all of that at once, that's a big lift. So I highly recommend to still pursue limited assurance already in 2026. So yes, a lot of changes today to the California climate regulations.